Okay, this is the first aid kit which we keep always in the cabin. I'm just going to show you what's in it. It's quite a substantial bag. I got it off eBay. If I can find out where I remember what it was a couple of years ago, I'll put the link in the description down below. Okay, let's have a look. So in here, now there's probably a couple of things out of date. I'm not too worried about it. I will replace them. But when someone's life's at hand, or they've severed themselves, or severely cut themselves and whatnot, I ain't going to worry about dates. I'm going to make sure that they're compressed, they're all right, and we get them to hospital. That's in a really bad scenario. So I have 3 packs of bandages this side and loads of good plasters. I will replace the plasters because they do lose their stickiness, if you know what I mean. They just sort of deteriorate a little bit. In the bottom compartment I have a triangular bandage, which I can also, for you know, so you can strap up your arms, you should know that sort of thing, which I can also use as a tourniquet. Comes with a safety pin. So with that I can put that bandage on with eye patches. I've also got gauze, all stuff like that. Anything that you can put on, more gauze there that you can use around the bandage. So if you've got a severe cut somewhere, you can actually put it on, and if it still bleeds, just keep adding bandages and gauze, just keep adding it on. Okay, it will eventually sort of stop, but get them to hospital ASAP. At the bottom as well I have 2 ice packs for burns on there, and what else we've got here? Oh, so just saying, that's another ice pack there. So I've got 2 ice packs there. That's the first compartment. Next one in here we have a few pills which I will be replacing because they're sort of, yeah, a must. So we got another load of compression, or what they call them, non-woven self-adhesive dressing. They're quite good, they are. I've used them before, they're all right. I have an emergency blanket which is there, you can see that. Hold on, I got some more. What's in this one? The one to blow away. Oh, another hydrofoil emergency foil blanket. So I've got 2 of those. 1, 2. We've got some paracetamol, which I will be replacing probably as reused by date on them. 5th 23, so they're still in date. That's all right. I do check this periodically. I got some very small ice packs. I've got another 2 small ice packs there. I have got eye wash in the bottom. You can see a whole full set of eye wash there. I got another bandages. I've got some more bandages tucked away there, some more plasters, and what's this? Another foil blanket. I only need 3, but anyway, I could transfer them to my other kits. And that's it really. More I've got here. Some more plasters and some more like just self-adhesive pads, which are a must. We have chainsaws in the wood up at the cabin, so that's why this is quite a substantial kit. You never know, never take any chances. So hence the big kit. I'll put that back like that. Don't let them blow away. So I mean, like I said, if they're out of date, what's this one? 22. So, but that's an ice pack. I'm really too bothered about that. The foil blankets, they don't go out of date, and that sort of thing. And then we'll put the pills back in as well. So that is my first aid kit. I will try and find the bag that I've got. You can buy them with a small kit in them, but they're not very substantial, I got to admit. So this is what I've added to myself. I've just bought bandages, stuff like that, and just added to it. And I'll make sure it's always at hand. It's on a hook on its own in the cabin. I'll show you that in a second. So it's always ready to grab hold of and go. Now that's my first aid kit. I'll just show you where I'm hanging it. You can put it where you want really, but just convenient. So as soon as you come in through the door, you've got a bird's eye view of the first aid kit. There we go. That's me. Hello. Pressed the wrong button. Yeah. There we go. So plain as can be. Alright, take care. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great, and we'll catch you in the next one.